Kira, your first pressure test. Describe the feeling at the end when you were looking at that beautiful croquembouche.
Overwhelming.
Proudest moment in the competition so far? Bit emotional about it? Good emotion,
Yeah.
bad emotion?
Just shocked that I could do that. Just knowing that I can do anything that I set my mind to, and you know, this is definitely the most overwhelming point for me. I'm so happy with what I've achieved.
Let's find out.
Thank you. Enjoy, I hope.
Look at that. Let's taste.
Oh, crunchy.
Oh,
Crunchy.
I love that creme pat. That is so good.
Yeah, delicious.
Oh.
Right amount of vanilla, really smooth. You know, nice and light, perfect thickness.
That's by far the best creme pat of the lot. Caramel is delicious. Delicious, delicious. But
Not as good as it.
profiteroles, not great.
These profiteroles aren't right.
Cakey and biscuity.
Yeah.
They're
They're powdery.
like an overcooked cake, aren't they?
Yeah. And now I'm not sure how Kira sits in that pack.
I think you make a strong argument for each of them that they should stay. I think you can also point to maybe one flaw on each of those croquembouches that could be enough to send someone home. And it's a matter of balancing which is the greater flaw and who's done the better job. And, you know, at the end of the day, the key question we always ask, which one would you be happiest paying for? Which one would be happiest eating?
Yeah, because I can tell you right out, I can tell you now, without too much discussion, my favourite is Jamie. My favourite is Jamie's.
But if you sit there and you get profiteroles with no creme pat in it, you're going gypped.
True.
See, I want Jamie's profiteroles, his caramel, and
Kira's custard.
Kira's custards. And in terms of appearance, Colin's look the way it should be. The croquembouche should not have, you shouldn't feel that wind's going to whistle through it. I think this is one of these conversations that's going to go round and round in circles because there is no obvious answer. Whichever way the dice roll, one thing's for sure, someone who's done a great job is going home today. We started this season with a very simple motto. Ordinary people, extraordinary food. And what we saw today from all three of you was quite extraordinary. The tragedy, in a way, is when all three of you have done such an amazing job and such an extraordinary job, but one of you still has to go home.
Jamie, your profiteroles, perfectly baked. We think you had the best veil of beautiful sugar. But some of your profiteroles had no custard at all. Colin, your croquembouche, and you know it, lacked those fine strands of beautiful fine sugar. But those profiteroles were the perfect size, beautifully piped, and the construction, something a builder, which you were, should be proud of. Kira, you had the best creme pâtissière. But we saw that profiteroles had a biscuity texture. Today, all three of you surprised and delighted us with those three spectacular croquembouche. But Kira, today, your shoe buns let you down. It was that biscuity and powdery texture that is going to send you home. I'm sorry. You know what? You've got a wonderful talent, and you've got to pursue that. You're a good cook. You're a great cook. And if it wasn't for this tiny mistake, we're convinced that you'd go on strong and fight your way through well into that top 10. Who knows? You could have won it. But it's not about who knows. It's about what you do now that counts.
For sure. I'm just incredibly grateful for this opportunity. Yeah, I've just achieved so many things that I didn't realise I could do, and I've grown so much.
What's the thing that you're going to take away from MasterChef, do you think?
Just to believe in myself more, to take on challenges more, just to push myself more than I have been.
And what you've learned from this, and when you talk about believing in yourself and confidence, is that what stops us in life is the fear. Can we? Could
Yeah.
we? And most people don't. And you have.
Yeah.
And you've proved to yourself that you can do these things. So you owe it to us and to yourself to get out there and do something big with it.
Yeah, definitely.
And we think you can.
Yeah. Thank you.
So, Kira, thank you very much indeed. But I'm sorry to say, it's time to leave the MasterChef kitchen.
Good luck. Best. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you. Thank you, George.
All the best. Yeah.
I never even thought that I could get on MasterChef, let alone get this far and do so well. You make sure you witness it better. I'll kill you. No. Just got to tell you the way this happened, this is meant to be. This whole experience has definitely taught me to believe in myself more and to dream much bigger than what I have been for myself. Yeah, I'm just so excited to get started.